All right, let's see. Air conditioning's turned off. Volume for the TV's off. And the TV's off. Rambo, let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, it's our monthly update. Today, we are 2 months old. All right, and there's a couple things we want to go over. Okay, we've had a couple private emails come through. Number one, if you guys have noticed, if you're subscribed to the channel and come here regularly, every day, or at least 5 or 6 days a week, we put up 2 videos. One is a longer format video, 5, 6, 10, 14, 17 minutes, something like that. But the other one is, it's a short video. It's usually somewhere around 30-ish seconds, all right? Now, so you know, this is a new thing that YouTube is doing. And so we're part of a beta testing thing that YouTube is doing with these. Now, these shorts, they're actually, they're filmed vertically, not horizontally, because they're meant for cell phone users. All right, so if you're subscribed to the channel and you see these and they bother you, don't watch them. I mean, it's a special separate program. If they don't bother you, great, watch them. They're 30 seconds long, okay? But do us the biggest favor. Don't unsubscribe because you see these 30-second little videos. They do have a purpose. We're part of a beta testing thing going on. And so if you don't want to watch the 30-second ones or whatever, again, that's great. We don't, it's not going to bother us. Just don't unsubscribe because you see the 30-second ones, okay? Ignore those and go to the videos you want to see, which are the full reviews. So that's number one. Number two, 2 months old. All right, so in the last 30 days, we have picked up, here I'm going to refresh my screen just to see if anything's changed. We have picked up, 154 subscribers in 1 month. Now, if anybody's watching this that has a YouTube channel, it's already a big channel, 154 subscribers in a day, you guys get that in an hour. I understand that. But we're 2 months old. We've grew 150% from last month. And so we are now 243 total subscribers as of the time of this video. And I'm going to do one other special thing tonight, okay? We're going to make this pretty short here. I'm going to read you off the names of our new subscribers. I want to give you all the credit in the world, guys. We do this for you guys, so we so appreciate you. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm just going to read first names. I'm going to read last names or anything like that. So you have anonymity, if you will. But when someone subscribes, we don't always get your name. So if I'm not reading off your name, I really do apologize. All right? So here we go. We want to thank Lex, P-Bell, Trey, Aaron, Joshua, Rehabit, Kelly, Chris, Richard, Kareem, Don, Mark, Eric, Chris, with a K, Cheryl, Bigfoot, Paul, Rolando, Garland, XXO, Tim, Magnolia, Spencer, Hap, Rambori, Rambo Ray, Rambori, let's go with Rambo Ray, Rambo, Dread, Robert, Aaron, Rachel, Marcus, Luster, Yaya, Jerry, Sabby Chris, Sabby, Kazushi, Perry, Bullnick, Momo, Michael, Be Reasonable, Robert, Linda, Alyssa, Tyler, Nancy, Dana, Northman, Stephen, Thomas, Lizzie, and Bob. All right? Myself and Lisa, we want to thank all of you so much for being part of our family here. We intend to do this once a month, read off the name of all our new subscribers, and give thanks to you guys because we're here for you. You know, if we made these videos and nobody watched, well, we'd just be making videos for ourselves and wouldn't have to post them. We could keep them on our phone, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, look, we appreciate you guys. If you have suggestions, if you have comments, right, we want to be better for you guys. Leave them in the videos, right? If we're doing something wrong, if we're doing something right, hopefully, right? We are working on our videos, so it's not so shaky. We're gonna try to improve for you guys, all right? Just let us know in the comments. All right? So until next month in the next video, Be safe.